Atom. Atom is the basic units of a chemical element. Everything is made up of atoms. Here are the structure of an atom. Electrons orbit the nucleus, which is made up of protons and neutrons. Neutrons are neutral. Electrons have a negative charge, and protons have a positive charge. One S two. So 1 is the principal, S is the orbitals, and 2 is the lobe or electrons. SPDF is the letter denoting the orbitals. Next to it is the maximum number of electrons. So S has a maximum electrons of 2, P with 6, D with 10, and F with 14. This is the easy way to find out the electronic configuration. Just follow up the arrow like this until you'll get the total number of electrons needed, then you could arrange it. So here are the example. Magnesium has an atomic number of 12. So let's see from picture and start from here. And 2 is the number of electrons. So add it up until it equals to 12. So 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 equals to 12. So the answer would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s2. S, P, D, and F. They all have their own boxes. S is 1, P is 3, D is 5, and F is 7. These boxes represent the orbitals. So the arrow represents the electrons. Remember to put the upward electrons first, then the downward electrons second. One boxes can only contain 2 electrons. Therefore, S have 2 electrons, P have 6, D have 10, and F has 14 electrons. There are numbers below the boxes. 0 is always in the middle. The negative is always in the left, and the positive is always in the right. N is the principal, so 1s2, in this case N would be 1. L is the subshell. The possible answer is only 0, 1, 2, and 3. SPDF has its own second quantum number, so S is 0, P is 1, D is 2, and F is 3. ML is the specific orbital within the subshell. From these boxes, you know that the upper arrow comes first. The last arrow contained in the box number 1. Therefore, ML is 1. MS is the electron spin. If the last arrow is facing upwards, it's half. If the last arrow is facing downwards, it's minus half. These are the example. It is a different version of element. It has the same number of protons and electrons, but different number of neutrons. It also changed the mass of elements. For example, there are a lot of carbon atoms in the universe. The normal one are carbon-12. Those atoms have 6 neutrons. There are a few other atoms that don't have 6. Those odd ones may have 7 or 8 neutrons. As you learn more about chemistry, you will probably heard about carbon-14. It has 8 neutrons, 2 extra. Carbon-14 is considered an isotope of the element carbon.